Hey, everybody. Welcome back to My Modern Homestead. If you don't already know, my name is Janet, and I am so thankful that you are here. Today, y'all, we have a fun and interesting recipe. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys feel it too. I just feel like some people are creating crazy recipes just to get views. That's not what we're about here. If I get views, I get views. If I don't, I don't. I'm going to cook either way. And the views don't really matter to me. So I'm not trying to create some kind of crazy recipe to get the views. I just think everybody is out there trying to outdo everybody. And they're coming up with these outrageous recipes. So today we're going back to the basics. I am doing a simple recipe that I think is going to be so good. This is called Spaghetti Napolitan. I hope that's right. I'll put the spelling right down there. It's kind of like spaghetti, but there's no meat in it. So I'm really interested to see how this turns out. Are y'all ready to get started? I am. Y'all, my son's been sick all weekend. It's just me in the house today. So we're just going to breathe and we're going to have fun. Let's go. Okay, now you can see all my ingredients back here. Now this recipe calls for 8 bella mushrooms sliced. I don't know if this is 8 or not. I love mushrooms, so we're using the whole thing. This was a 8-ounce package. All right, the first thing we need to do is to heat our skillet, and we're going to put in the olive oil. There's a little bit of soy sauce in there because I used the same spoon to measure. We're going to do that. Come out. Then we're going to saute the mushrooms, and it says not to add the peppers until later, but I'm going to go ahead and add my peppers with my onions. Now, I'm used to chopping my onions, but this recipe says to slice them, and I'm using chopped peppers because that's what I had in my freezer. These are peppers from my garden, and they're still frozen. So we're going to let that heat up, and we're going to also do the onions with this. So let's give this just a minute to heat up, and then we'll get started. I do want to say before I start this, I have my water over here heating up for my pasta, and we're going to use 8 ounces of pasta. So I've got it already measured out, and I'm a cheater, y'all. I break mine up. So there it is, waiting to go into the water. All right, y'all ready to go? Let's pop it in here. Here are our onions. That's 1 small onion. Our bell peppers, still frozen. And our mushrooms. All right, so there we go. Pardon me for reaching. Just give this a little stir. I'll turn the heat down just a little. I turned it up to get the skillet hot. And we're just going to let this cook until our mushrooms and peppers and onions are all done. Doesn't that look heavenly already? Okay, our water is boiling, so I'm going to put the pasta in up and all over my stove. Good gracious. And we'll cook this for 7 to 8 minutes, just until it's al dente. Y'all, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. But what we're going to do now is add in our ketchup. And this is 2/3 of a cup of ketchup. And I use mostly sugar-free ketchup. Just use whatever you got. It'll work just fine. Can't get it all out of there. But anyway, there's that. And we're going to add in the butter and the soy sauce. Okay. Give that a good mix. Now we're also going to add half a cup of this pasta liquid. I've just got about a fourth of a cup there. There we go. And that's going to help deglaze this pan too. Get all that stuff off the bottom because that is flavor, y'all. So just cook this for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And that's just about right to get this pasta off because I just heard the timer go off. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit more liquid just in case we need it. All right, there we go. And look at this sauce. Isn't that gorgeous? So silky, so pretty. All right. Give me just a second. Let me get this. Oh, there's my timer. Let me get this pasta off the stove and drained. All right, we got our pasta drained, so we're just going to drop it down into there. Just like so. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Ooh. All right. And we'll mix it in. I turned my stove off. I just put it back on low. I'm actually going to switch out and get my spaghetti spoon. Perfect. Here we go. Look, doesn't it look amazing? Now, if you guys wanted to be fancy, if you weren't just cooking this for a quick little lunch, you can make some garlic knots, some garlic bread, just whatever. It would be delicious. But I'm just doing this for a little quick lunch for me. I don't need those extra carbs. So there we go. Let's add a little bit more liquid to it. Yes, yes, yes. That is perfect. All right. Gonna let it sit here for just a minute. And then we're going to serve it up, y'all. Look how quick and easy you can have a meal done. Doesn't it look amazing? I almost forgot. You want to salt this. Go. And give it a good little shake of pepper. I'm not a big black pepper fan, but just a little bit. Go. And for this recipe, you would want to use fresh parsley. That's best. But I went to the store today. Y'all, they didn't have parsley. They had cilantro, but not parsley. I just have a little country store here. So I just had to go with the dry parsley. Let's give it a little mix. And we are done. What do you say? We serve this up and try it. I'm so excited. I hope it's good. It looks good. It smells good. It's got to taste good, right? So there we go. Put that little noodle in the bowl. Let's go try it. Okay, y'all, let's try it. Excuse my mess back there. It's where I've been cooking. All right. I better take it off this plate. Okay. Let's see what it tastes like. Mmm. Mmm. That is comfort in a bowl, y'all. Mm. That does not taste anything like spaghetti. That has it's more of a soy sauce taste to it. You can taste the ketchup, you can taste the soy sauce. It's delicious, y'all. Of course, you gotta have a happy dance because it is good, y'all. y'all go try this. It's a perfect little simple meal. So thank you so much for joining me. I love it when y'all come and spend a few minutes with me each and every time. It means the world to me. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, even hype the video. Heck, it doesn't cost you a thing. So until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye.